Hi, everyone. Today, we will be looking at SmartSimple Clouds Note Types. Are you looking for an effective and clear method of communication pertaining to your cloud-based records and initiatives? Well, let me introduce you to SmartSimple Cloud's Note feature. Notes are a built-in feature in SmartSimple Cloud, available on every instance, and they enable users to annotate records with comments and instructions. They are available on all record types, including application records, user profiles, and organization profiles. To view or add notes, simply select the Notes tab from a record's left menu. Here you will see all notes pertaining to this record. This method of organization helps keep your communications clear and organized, as the communications pertaining to the record are located directly on the record itself. To add a note to the record, simply press the New Note button, signified by the plus sign. You can then choose your note type. Note types can be permissioned to be creatable or viewable to only particular roles, or to only particular record types. For our first example, we will select a note type which is viewable to internal users in our system. We can then specify the contents of our note in the box below. To complete your note, simply press the Save button. Now, internal users accessing this record will see our note in the Notes tab. For our next example, we will choose a note type which is high visibility, meaning it will display at the very top of our record. This is a great way to ensure that your communication is noticed by users accessing the record. We will now save our high visibility note. Now, when users access this record, the note will appear at the top. Now that we've seen a little of what we can do with notes, let's look at how to configure a new note type. First, navigate to the Global Settings menu. Under the System Configuration header, select Note Types. To add a new note type, select the New Type button. We can then name our note type, as well as specify the order that our type appears in the type dropdown. We can color code notes of this type by choosing the color from the color picker. By toggling on the Lock on Type, all notes of this type will be uneditable after publishing. By leaving it on, notes of this type can be edited. By toggling on High Visibility, all notes of this type will appear at the top of the record, as we saw in our second example. In the Permission and Availability tab, you can select which roles can create and view notes of this type. You can also select which roles can change the note type, as well as which entities can include this note type. Lastly, in the Workflow tab, you can select workflows to be triggered by notes of this type. This can be a useful process driver for your records. Notes are an integral part of SmartSimple Cloud, allowing you to keep track of your SmartSimple Cloud communications. Thanks, everyone.